Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Eevee from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw cute Eevee, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. And then come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another one. There. Now my oval's in. Let's come up here and we're going to draw another oval for a highlight. And same thing here. And let's see here. Then I'll come in and color it a little bit later. Let's finish the drawing first. And let's come back right about here. And I'm going to draw a slight slanted line here and here. And then in between the eyes, we're going to draw a little triangle for our nose. Right in the center. There. I know it looks really weird because it's not colored in, but bear with me. Okay, so then we're going to come down to the center about right here, and then we're just going to draw two curves coming out for a happy Eevee. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to come to the top of the eye, come out, say about this wide. And same thing over here, about right here. And I'm basically going to draw kind of like a bottom of a U. So let's come around the eye. I'll slant it out a tiny bit about right here and then round it in for some cheeks. So same thing here, just slight, go out a little bit and then come in. Then let's say, find my center about right here. Give myself a point, about how low I want it. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to hit my point. So definitely turn your body or your paper, whatever you need to do to draw a curve. It's kind of tricky, right? Okay, there. So now that I have that in, let's go up and let's see here. I'm going to go up a tiny bit. We're starting to turn in now. And same thing here, just turn it in. And we have these ears we need to draw. But before we draw that, let's just imagine the ears are about right here. I'm just going to skip a little bit of space and then come and continuing this curve about right there. Then from there, I'm just going to draw a bunch of zigzags for the top. So one, it's all up to you. How many of these you want to draw, but you just want to fill the top area with these. Sometimes maybe smaller, maybe a bigger one, and then just bring it in just like right here to the same level. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just connect it first and make it a little bit easier. Okay, so then now that I have these two open spots, I'm going to go ahead and draw Eevee's ear. So about right here, we're going to draw an angle line. We're going to go out. So take a look how big you want to make her ears, but wherever you just want to make this at this right angle. So about right here. I mean, not right angle. I mean, like just make sure there's these two angles right here are in the center of the angle that you're pointing to. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so then about right here. And then let's bring it in. So it's out nice and long, and then round it off and then bring it in. There. So hopefully that makes sense now. This is my center, but right here, this is my angle. So these two are perfectly half of that angle. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm probably making it even more confusing, but hopefully you can just see what I did and that helps you. Okay, so then let's come back in here and we're just going to draw maybe two more zigzags right there in the center. And let's just go ahead and draw the inside. So just follow your outside all the way and bring it in. There. Okay, so I got one big Eevee ear and then let's draw the other one. So good thing is we don't have to match exact same angle as that. We can change it up to make it extra cute, but we're just trying to make it about the same size. So this one will make it a little bit straighter perhaps. So about right there. I'll bring it in. So take a look. So then about right there. And so this is at the same angle, same spot, and then we're going to bring it in. There. Bring this in a little bit more. Okay, so then once again, same thing. We're just going to go up and draw the inside. So just follow your outside. And come in here and just draw 2 tufts of fur and the inside. There. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and we're going to draw some fur around the neck area. So let's start about right here. Just gonna go ahead and just start to zigzag. Let's go same thing over here. And we're just going to poof it around and bring it back to the center. So that's my goal. I'm just gonna go around. And a little bit more here, nice and poofy. And about right here, I'll bring it out. So same thing here. So zigzag coming in, and another one, and then just go ahead and connect. There, so just want it nicely around the neck. Then you can come in here, just add some more details, extend these lines. To give it a little bit more definition. Perhaps this one goes up. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the legs. So our center right here. So we're going to come about right here. And here, I'm just going to draw 2 angle lines right there, and then I'm going to thicken these front legs, so come about right here and here. Draw 2, and then we're just going to go ahead and come out, curve it out, and connect. So same thing here, curve it out and connect, and you can come in here with 2 little curves for some detail, and whatever space you have, just go ahead and just connect it. Then let's draw the back leg. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve coming in towards the front legs, and about right here, poof it out and in, and same thing, 2 little curves. So same exact thing on the other side, about right here. We're going to bring down a curve all the way, and then pop it out and connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her beautiful tail. So I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. It's easier for my hand. I'm just going to curve into this space. Then I'm going to round it off, nice and poofy, and bring it in. Then about right here, just add 2 curves for the tip of her tail, different color. And I believe that is pretty much it, except I'm going to put a little heart here for this new Eevee drawing. I did do one millions of years ago, but hopefully this one is much better. I hope you love this one a little bit more. And so that is pretty much it for the drawing. So I'm going to go ahead and color the eyes for you now. So I'm going to come back in here. I'm just going to give myself a curve, almost like my Draw So Cute eyes. Color this all black right here. And same thing here. Okay, so then from there, I'm just gonna get like a purple color here. Hopefully it'll show up on the camera, and I'm just going to lightly color this in with a purple. One layer. And now that I have that one layer, I want to blend this dark black into this purple. So where the black meets the purple, I'm going to come in here and very subtly just go over it again so that it blends in a little bit more. So we just want a slight shine of purple at the bottom. So hopefully you can see that on the camera. Just make this black a little bit darker. There. Hopefully it'll come through. It looks, I know I probably can't see it, but there is some purple down there. So that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Eevee, and I really hope you love how she turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.